Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Today I'm going to show you Euro USD technical strategy levels where we are expecting the Euro USD in coming weeks or in coming days. Although dollar is still strong, so we can see the sellers coming for Euro, and it's been quite a while. It's been more than 3 to 4 months. The Euro has been dramatically falling from the 1.5 levels, and now we have a weekly chart here. We can clearly see where is the Euro USD. Euro USD now is at 1.2451, and the major resistance was at around 1.3979. So from that level it started falling, and right now it is at 1.20. Okay, so let me just tell you guys how to look at the chart and how to forecast the price and in coming days, or how to know that where we're gonna exit the trade if you are on short, and where we're expecting to buy the pair. At the moment you can see the complete a clear chart here, starting from here to here, right? So it's a weekly chart. All right, let me just go by step. So first we always going to look at the weekly chart, because we should know where the price is heading on to, where the major support and the major resistance are. Take any charts. You can take Euro USD chart, you can just take pound versus dollar chart, Euro USD versus US dollars versus yen, or Australian dollars versus US dollars. So take any chart, any kind of chart. So you always go to the weekly chart or a monthly chart. Now for the if you want to stay long on the trade, if you just want to trade for monthly or weekly, you're still gonna need the check all the charts, which if you want to trade for a long time trades. So now I am on weekly charts. Okay, let me just drive just put some resistance, put some lines so that we can see what is the path, what is the trend, and where are the supports and where are the resistance. This is a very important. We should just draw the lines at least to have a clear idea where are the sellers coming in and where are the buyers interested in. So just let me just drag a line for the support line here. So I think I need the line which is vertical. So here, okay, so can you see that right here at the top, right? So because the pair is, this is the highest high and this is the lowest high. So let me just drag the line here. All right, perfect. And I should just touch 2 to 3 candles. You can just, these are the areas. All right, there is no particular specific price where the sellers are. Sometimes sellers comes in with few pips difference, with odd numbers, with other using the other strategy. So now we can see it's a weekly chart, and we have drawn resistance lines. So you can see we have one higher highs, and we have second higher high, the third higher high. This is the fourth one. That means the trend is clearly declining from the downtrend. All right, so it's coming down and it's taking a retracement and coming down, taking a retracement, and sellers are again coming in, and it's coming here and making a retracement. Let me just see the support lines. If you can see, we can clearly see these are the support lines. The lines, the trend lines which I am drawing. Okay, you can see these are the support lines where the buyers are coming in to buy the euro and sell the dollars. Okay, you can just consider this one as a support zone. All right, so buyer's zone, so the demand zone where the buyers are interested in. And also these are the line wherein You can say it's a seller's zone where the people are actually interested to sell the pair. So after drawing the line, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna look at it? You're gonna look at it the way the price is. So now we have drawn one support line here, which is actually showing it's near the support line, or it's broken here. You can see here it is broken. Okay, it doesn't matter to us, a little bit of up and down on the trend line. It doesn't matter to us because we are looking for the long-term goal. And if you just clearly uh, look at the huge scroll up, so here is the support. You can see the support is here, which is at 1.213. And if you go further down, and we have a support at 1.945 or 1.20. Now basically you can just take a even number, because sometimes the big banks actually trade on the even numbers. If they are if they want to buy it, they buy it at 1200, 1100, like that, and they want to take a profit at 1400, 1300. So because of the lot of volume, the lot of sellers and buyers, a lot of retail traders coming in, the institutions coming in, sometimes pains do go 20 to 30, 40 pips up and down. Uh, uh, Up and down of the target. So now you can see the price is 1.2450, you can say that. And the support is here. The first support is at 1.2139, which is almost 100 pips difference to coming. If you want to take a profit, if you are on short on euro, so we can still expect 100 more pips on euro. And if that breaks, it directly go to 1.200 level. So now still we can go on short on euro, and we can still achieve 200 to 300 pips in coming days. And because we have NFP non-farm payrolls coming up in the next week on the Friday, and we can see the growth of economy. US economy is growing. You can see the GDP reports on every month. It's actually improving, and they are recovering from their recessions. So also we can see a lot of jobs are getting added. So if the country is growing, country is having a good economy, good retail sales, having good gross products, having a good producer price index, having a good consumer price index, that means the economy is completely growing. So because of that, the people are actually hiring. So there is always possibility that the jobs will get improved, if the GDP of the country is going. So looking at that part, the overall US economy prospect, we can still short on the Euro USD. We can still expect the TP somewhere around 100 to 200 pips in coming week. So also, this is the weekly chart. Let's go to the H4 chart here. The H4 chart is actually showing a trend. Here you can see there is a trend moving up. All right, this is the complete trend. You can just go here and see look at the highest point and just draw a line. All right, you can still see the higher highs and the low highs, and then again we can just try to find out which are the lower lines here, lower highs and the lower lows. Here you can see it's making a symmetrical formation, so that means market is expecting something. So you can see symmetrical formation here on this chart, on the 4th hour chart, and also on the weekly chart. You can see the market is making a symmetrical. When the market makes a symmetrical, what does that mean? It means that the market is expecting some big news or big report, something coming up. So as of now, we know that non-farm payroll is coming up, so we can expect that the market is actually waiting for the NFP news. But looking at the pattern chart, we still have Euro USD just hanging between the support and resistances, and definitely it's a trend. The trend is downtrended, so definitely it will find a support in coming days before it's going to go up. So we can assume the Euro USD to go down almost 200 pips in coming days, in coming week. This is the hourly chart right now, so we can see here also we have a symmetrical triangle formation, And uh, if you just overlook on the if you just zoom in, so you can see the price action. So you should always look at the price action as well after drawing the line. If the price goes here, okay, let me just give an example. Can you see this a candle which I'm seeing right now here, right? You can see this, right? Okay, the price, the buyers came in, the price moved up, and it just tried to touch the resistance lines. So what happens? Immediately the sellers came in, and the sellers came in. There's a huge sale, and then the market started consolidation, and again the huge sale. So it's like that. So always look at the volume and the price action at the support and resistance levels. So if you have drawn the trend lines, okay, all you need to do is after the news, okay, after the reports, you just check what are the resistance and the supports and where the price is. So once you see the price is at the resistance level after the report, if the report come good for the US dollars, so then if it does consolidate at the resistance level, so that's the exact buy entry, sell entry you can do. Now once you know that the price is actually finding sellers there, so you just try at this level, and you can expect the TP on the support line, or you can just get rid of the trade, getting a 30 to 40 pips in the market. If you're a daily trader, you're definitely gonna take the profit as soon as possible. So this is how you trade, this is how to draw the trend line. You can draw the trend line taking. You don't have to take the entire chart. Sometime you can just, if you just want to make a few pips, or if you want to scalp, that's what everybody calls scalping. I want to do scalping. So how do you do scalping? How do you recognize where are the major support and where are the major resistances? So all you need to do, you just find the lower time frame chart. Okay, so for an example, I go for 5-minute chart. All right, so you can see the chart here, 5-minute chart. It just zoomed out, and now you can also see the support and resistance level on the 5-minute chart. So what you're going to do, you're going to just draw the lines. Okay, where are the supports, the major supports? So you will immediately come to know what is the trend by drawing these lines, and you can just draw this one. Okay, so here we go. So here we have a 5-minute chart. I just draw the trend lines, and you can still see the market is actually coming from the top and it's trending down, right? So now we just found the support here somewhere, because the earlier support was here, and here it's support. The price came in at this level and buyers came in interested. So what they do, they just bought it, and they're going to take the profit at 1.2460 or 65 level. So what was the buying price? Well, it was somewhere around 1.2430 somewhere. So almost 10 to 20 pips of scalping. This is called scalping. You can do scalping in this way, but in order to understand the entire trend of the market, of the moving market, you should take the bigger chart. Okay, if you should look at the weekly or the monthly chart first, because if you only look at the smaller time frame, you never know when the trend is going to change, because the trend is down, there is a lot possibility you will find a large amount of volume on selling part, and if the trend is up, you will always have huge amount of volume coming in for buyers. So you do not want to mess up with your trade. So you always look at the big chart, big time frame, and you just wait for the price to come to the resistance level on any suitable time frame that you are looking for that particular trade, and just look at it and just try to uh, trade on that level. So this is the Euro USD. So we're gonna meet next time.